What if I told you that you could wake up every single day with new leads already in your pipeline, email already sent, and conversation already started without doing anything manually? It sounds unrealistic, but this is exactly what I tested using instantly brand new AI sales agent. And to be completely honest, it is one of the most powerful outreach tools I have seen in a long time. In fact, I have used the system and generated over $40,000 value leads into the client pipeline. And just to be clear, Instantly is one of the best cold email platform I personally tested. It is reliable, scalable, and built specifically for higher volume outreach. If you want to try it out, you can sign up using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to set this up step by step so you can automate your outreach and start getting results like this as well. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed Numan and I help business build automated system for lead generation, outreach, and client acquisition using tools like Instantly, Go High Level, and AI. Recently, Instantly launched their AI sales agent in late March 2026, and they are currently giving 1000 free credit to everyone who tests it. This means you can literally set this up and start generating leads without spending anything upfront. Step 1. Sign up. The first step is very simple. You need to sign up for Instantly using the link in the description below. Once you log in into the dashboard, you will see a new section called AI Agent. Click on that. Inside this section, you will see two options. The first one is the AI Sales Agent and the second one is the AI Reply Agent. Now, it is very important to understand the difference. The AI Sales Agent is used for outreach. It finds leads, write email, and send them. The AI Reply Agent is used for handling incoming replies and conversation. For this video, we are focusing on the AI Sales Agent because this is the new feature that actually brings in leads. Before setting it up, let me quickly explain what this AI agent actually does. It automatically finds leads that match your ideal customer profile. It drives personalized cold email for each lead. It creates multi-step outreach sequence. It learns from reply pattern and it improves over time. And most importantly, it fills your pipeline on autopilot. Each lead costs 5 credit and that includes both finding the lead and sending the email. Now comes the most important part, which is configuration. You will see a section where you need to provide context for your AI agent. You have two options here. The first option is to provide your website URL. This is the easiest and recommended method. You simply paste your website, landing page, or product page, and the AI will analyze your business, understand your offer, and automatically generate company. You just need to accept the AI sales agent terms and move forward. The second option is to manually provide instruction. Here you can write details about your product, your ideal customer, your messaging tune, and any specific requirements. This option is useful if you want more control over how the AI behaves. Once you complete this step, the AI will start working immediately. After setup, you will be taken to the dashboard. This is where you can track everything. You will see metrics like lead found, email sent, replies, and opportunity. For example, in one of my campaigns, we had hundreds of leads found and email sent automatically within a short period. There is also a map view that shows where your leads are coming from globally, which is very nice feature. On the right side, you will see the activity feed. This shows real-time updates such as when email are sent, when someone open an email, or when someone click. This gives you full visibility in what the AI is doing on your behalf. Now if you go to the leads section, you will see all the leads that the AI has found for you. These are the already filtered based on your ideal customer profile. One of the best features here is that you can scroll to the right and see the exact email that the AI has generated for each lead. If you want, you can edit these emails before they are sent. But in most cases, the AI does a very good job on its own. Next, you have the memory section. This is where you train your AI. You can add your business details such as what your company does. You can define your business offer including your services and packages. You can also create customer profile which represent your ideal customer. The AI usually creates some profile automatically, but you can define them and add new ones. Then you have the guidance section. Here you can add up to 10 smart rules. These rules help the AI understand how you want it to behave. For example, you can define your tone of voice, messaging style, or things you want the AI to avoid. This is how you make the AI sound more like you. Finally, we have the settings. Here you can configure how the AI operates. You can enable autopilot mode to fully automate everything. You can turn on auto reply so the AI responds to the lead automatically. You can select which email account to use for sending. You can set a daily sending limit. You can define your sending schedule. You can also configure basic deliverability settings such as disable open tracking, enable ESP matching, and adding a simple unsubscribe line. There is also an option to integrate Slack so you receive your daily update and notification. Now let's quickly understand the pricing. Instantly give you 1000 credit for free when you start. Each lead costs 5 credit, which means you can generate and contact around 200 leads for free. After that, their supersonic credit plan costs $97 per month. This gives you 5000 credit, which means you can generate and email around 1000 leads every month. Considering this is fully automated outreach, this is extremely powerful. So overall, this AI sales agent is complete game changer. Instead of manually finding leads, writing email and sending follow-up, you can now automate the entire process. Set it up once and let the AI handle everything for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want help setting this up for your business, you can book a call using the link in the description below.